Everyone, this is Hussain again back to you with a new video, and this video is totally different. Today you can see I am sitting in a environment where I can see a very greenery everywhere और आज मैं प्रकृति के साथ बैठा हूँ, नेचर के साथ. Today in this video I will explain you how this nature and this greenery and this type of environment are very helpful for all the students. Mainly we come park, lawn or garden just for playing or jogging or doing exercise. But in reality this nature and this type of environment is very useful and very helpful for all the students in education. Yes, in education this is really going to help every student. It will make your mind a very peaceful and you will be feeling a very stressless environment. The first thing which nature gives you a very peaceful mind. Whenever you are sitting in a garden or in your home garden or in a nature park, then your mind is very stressless and you are feeling very peaceful. That time you can study, you can bring your books in the garden and you can make projects, assignment or whatever you want you can do in the garden. Because garden is really going to give you a very fresh air and you will feel very comfortable in this environment. The second thing about this nature is that you will feel very interested in learning things, learning new ideas. Nature is one of the best medicine for a human being. And the third thing about nature is it will inbuild a curiosity in you, because whenever you are sitting very relaxed in a park or you are doing something about yourself or your study, that time a type of eureka will develop in you and you will think something in a very curious manner. I have heard about Sir Isaac Newton when he was sitting in a park and that time an apple fall down. Then he researched about the law of gravitation. So this type of curiosity generates in us. So the thing nature is going to help you is curiosity. And the next thing is stress, because most students have a burden of study, so that time they are feeling very stressful. So whenever they are coming in a garden or a park, that time they are feeling very relaxed and all the stress will go out of him. So he or she needs to come in the park, sit in a very relaxed mode and a very comfortable mode, and then he can learn many new things and a kind of happiness will be generating inside you and you will be very happy in learning new things. You will be very curious. In ancient time, people like in Ashoka time or in Gurukul system, the schooling system was totally different. They used to learn outdoors in a garden or in a park or in forest. In that time the schooling system was totally different and that time they were learning more better than us. There was no advanced schooling system, even though they are learning in a very better way, in a very proper way. And the next thing about nature is it will inbuild a creativity in you. You will be more creative and you will be more productive, because whenever you are sitting in a park and you come in contact with the nature and greenery, then that time a creativeness will develop from inside and you will be more creative. You have seen many painters or many musicians like that, they are sitting in the park and they are writing something, and even the writer, they are writing their books, novels in a park, because that time they are feeling very creative and they are writing in a very creative manner. So nature is going to help you in somewhere in the creativeness. Another most important thing about nature is physical fitness, because most of the time we are in an environment where there are pollution and everywhere there is a type of chemicals and artificial pollution. So and that time we need self-relaxation. Our brain, our mind also need relax. So we have to come in a very peaceful area so that our lungs will get fresh oxygen and it will change the metabolic activities inside us and it will make us more physical fitness, and so that we can learn more things, because physical fitness are very important for the students. At least once in a week you must go and visit a park or your nearby nature park, or you can just make something in your study area so that you can study in a very better way and you will get in touch with the nature. So this is really going to help for every students. Even the parents should take the children and the kids to the garden, not just for playing or jogging or doing exercise or doing meditation. but for studying you should take study notes or books in the park so that you can study there. And you can, when you will study in a park or an open environment, then the things which you are learning in indoors for 2 hours 3 hours, that you will learn only maybe in 20 minutes or in a half hour. So nature is really going to help you. Hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, just follow this step and just go to the nature park and just be in contact with the nature, and just give me feedback in the comment box so that I come to know that how you feel after visiting park and when you study there, and what is the difference. Just share with me so that I can share with everyone. Thank you for watching video. See you in another video. For then, take care and bye.
Subscribe.
नहीं नहीं ये वाला नहीं बोलेगा।